Welcome to today's video where we're talking about equations. So it's stage 5.2, and we're actually looking at inequalities. So we want to be able to solve equations and inequations today. The revision questions are here, so pause the video and try them and then check. We need to minus 18 from both sides. As our first step. So we get 5x equals minus 15. 3 minus 18 is minus 15. And then divide by 5. So x equals minus 3. Next one, expand the brackets. So 3a plus 18. 3 times 6 is 18. Then minus 18 from both sides. 24 take away 18 is 6. And then we divide by 3. With this one, you could actually divide 24 by 3 as well. Question 3. Again, you might like to pause the video and try them before you watch the solution. For these ones, times both sides by 7. So this comes over here. Minus 2 times 7 is minus 14. And then take away 5 from both sides. So that should be t, equals minus 19. This one, minus 5 from both sides. Three minus 5 is minus 2. This part cancels out. 5 take away 5 is 0. So we get minus 2y equals minus 2. And then we divide by minus 2. We're dividing by that, which gives us y equals 1. The other revision questions. So for our examples, which you need to copy into your notes book. Example A, solve the inequality. So it's just like an equation, but it's inequality. Our process is the same. Add 3 to both sides. So you can see here the 3 goes over, so 5 plus 3 is 8. So minus x is greater than or equal to. That's what this symbol means. So equals goes like that. Greater than or equal to goes like that. Or like that for when you use computer fonts. So back to the question. So plus 3 plus 3. So minus x is greater than 8. And when we just write down x, the signs change. So notice here, when we go from minus x to x, we go from a greater than to a less than. So this swaps, and this swaps. I'll just clean up the screen. So greater than changes to less than when we go from minus x is greater than or equal to 8 to x is less than or equal to minus 8. today's questions, pause the videos, and then check the answer. So here we need to add 1 to both sides, which gives us minus x is greater than 10. And then we just want x. So rather than greater than with negative x, x is less than minus 10. Next question. 5 take away x is greater than or equal to 10. So take 5 from both sides. Minus x is greater than or equal to 5. And then we need to swap. So the minus needs to come over, and we need to change the inequality as well. So x is less than or equal to minus 5. Question 7, add 6 to both sides. So 10 plus 6 is 16. So minus x is less than 16. The minus changes, and so does the inequality. This changes sides, and this changes direction. Next one, minus 2x plus 7 is less than or equal to 5. Take away 7 from both sides. 5 take away 7 is minus 2. And then here, the negative is going to change sides, which is going to give us a negative negative, which is a positive, and the inequality is going to change direction. So we get x is greater than or equal to 1. So 2 things happen with that one. The negatives cancel, but the inequality still changes side because we're dividing by minus 2. When you divide by a negative, the inequality changes side, which is what we've been doing. Here we're dividing by minus 1. Okay, good luck with that. Need to practice these concepts.